This is a disclaimer. I do not condone the illegal use of stealing phones or others' data. These videos are used for educational purposes and to get the companies to notice the vulnerabilities in their product. Thank you.
If you found this content helpful, leave a like, comment, share, anything to show some support. Thanks. Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be sharing a relatively easy trick. This video is going to show you how to activate recovery mode on the LG Stylo 4. The usual goal purpose of doing this is to factory reset your phone. To jump right into it, you're going to want to power off your phone. But before you power it back on, you're going to want to press and hold the volume down button and the power button. When you see the LG logo appear on screen, release the power button, then immediately hold the power button yet again. If done properly, you should see a random white screen with a little highlight. You can use the volume buttons to scroll up or down here. The power button will select the highlighted object. You're going to want to highlight yes to factory resetting and press the power button to accept it, and then select yes you are sure and press the power button to accept once again, in order to confirm the factory reset. Now your device should reboot on its own and take a while before bringing you back to the factory screen. At this point, all you have to do is just wait. Then your device will be factory reset. And there it is, in all its glory. This is what your device should look like if done properly. If you found this content helpful, leave a like, comment, share, anything to show some support. Thanks. Have a good one.
Taxpansion.